Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now, in today's video, we are going to be talking about the top 3 trading brokers you guys need for 2026. So make sure you guys like, follow, and if you guys want to sign up for any of these, there's going to be links down below for you guys to sign up. You guys get free stocks. It helps the channel out. So check them out down below and let's dive into this. Now, having a good trading broker can really help separate you from being profitable and unprofitable. If you have a broker that doesn't offer advanced tools for trading and you're just going with a generic trading broker or a generic broker, you're always never going to have the best available prices. You're going to be missing out on charting, on indicators, and having a good broker can help you find opportunity, can help you draw on your charts, supports, resistance, help you with risk management, set those alerts. All of that is crucial for your trade. So I think that this is one of the most important things that a trader needs to face when they're just starting out or maybe they're profitable is what broker should I use? So let's jump into broker number 1. Broker number 1, if you guys have been following the channel at all, you know I use Moomoo. Moomoo for me is absolutely fantastic. The reason I love them is they're commission free and they offer fraction shares. So if you're just starting out and you don't have thousands of dollars, you can buy stock with as little as $5, which is awesome because they have a lot of advanced tools, advanced charting. This is where I find like 85% of my stock is with Moomoo. So I don't have to pay for trade ideas or any of these advanced or expensive, stock scanning softwares. I can just use Moomoo. They're completely free. They also have advanced charting with level 2 data, so you can always honestly trade better. You can draw on the charts. They have great indicators. But more importantly, here, they also have something called paper trading, which is simulated trading to practice your risk management. So you can practice before you start using real cash and capital. And before you know it, you can be profitable in the paper trading account, translate that into your real account so you can start making great money. This is honestly great for active traders. So a lot of day traders use Moomoo and swing traders. Where Moomoo lacks is going to be on retirement. Moomoo only has one account type, and that is just a standard broker's account. They don't offer any IRAs, Roth IRAs, or any SEP IRAs, anything like that geared for the long term. Moomoo does not have, which at the end of the day isn't that big of a deal for me. But I know for some of you guys, you want to keep all of your money all in one place. Don't forget, if you guys want to sign up with Moomoo, there's going to be a link down below where you guys can get up to 60 free stock. But let's dive into broker number 2. Broker number 2 for me is going to be Robinhood. And I know a lot of people hate Robinhood. They don't like it. They think it's scammy. They think it's this or that. But you can't argue with how easy it is to use the platform. It's by far the easiest broker to use, and they offer a variety of tools. Now they have the Robinhood Legend, which is just the advanced trading platform that Robinhood has. It's very simple to draw on the charts. It's easy to look at, to find opportunities, all of that good stuff. And they have a variety of account types ranging from IRAs, standard brokers accounts. They have almost everything you can think of. So Robinhood has the best of both worlds. They're easy to use. They have the trading platform. Robinhood honestly isn't the greatest, is going to be on order execution. What that means is you're never really going to be getting the best available price. So let's just say Robinhood makes money because they don't charge commission. They make money off of something called order flow. Essentially, if you wanted to buy a stock on Robinhood for $1, Robinhood is going to send that order to the exchange for 98 cents. But they do this millions of times, and that's how they make money. If you have a direct access broker like Moomoo or Fidelity, which is the other ones that we're going to be talking about today, those are direct access. But why I love Robinhood is because it's so easy to use, and I always recommend people use it to get the general idea of trading, and then transfer somewhere else. It's a great beginner app, beginner tools and desktop platform, all that. It's very simple to use. All right, let's dive into broker number 3. Broker number 3 for me is one that I also use. This is Fidelity. Fidelity offers just about everything. They offer trading, they offer IRAs, They offer great tools. They offer 401ks. They offer everything you can think of when it comes with the financial industry. Why I love them, why I think they're a great broker is because they have a massive amount of research tools. They have money in the game essentially. They have a lot of great things for news, they have a lot of great things for charting, they have a lot of great things for scanning. And I do think in my opinion, Fidelity, their trading broker is probably a little bit less than Moomoo. If I was going to rank them, I would go Moomoo is the best trading broker, Fidelity, then Robinhood. Fidelity is geared for more long-term investors, which is fine because they offer a lot of great tools for that. They also offer the Fidelity Trading Active Trader, which is why I put them on the list. They also have fraction shares, which is great for people that are just getting started. And they do have great customer service, which definitely help boost the score to put them in this list. Now, there's also a whole bunch of other honorable mention, like Webull, which is great. I absolutely love them. I just think Fidelity, more people probably already use them or maybe want to use them, and they're just a bigger overall company with just more research tools for active traders. Another broker I love is Charles Schwab with the Thinkorswim platform I like. So there's a lot of great options. And as a trader, it's your job to do your due diligence and make sure that one, you have a trading broker that you understand and you can use. You don't feel overwhelmed by it. You don't get confused by it. But I also will say that with most brokers, there is going to be a learning curve. It's going to take you a minute before you learn every feature that it offers. It could take months. It could take years before you fully understand everything. So, guys, this is my top 3. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, follow, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and take care.